Hey, there's David Cinelli here, and
Ariana Kermick.
we're realtors with Royal LePage signature.
Yes.
And we're going to continue with our Fast Talk Fridays. Well, it's still Halloween. We have a couple of days before Halloween, so we're trying to throw in Halloween-ish, scary stuff. I don't know. So this topic, we got a great topic. What is it like?
Yeah, we don't want you guys to be scared of asking us for services.
So Ariana brought a good point the other day. Some of her clients or friends are reaching out and they're a little reluctant about talking to a realtor because they are scared of paying for their fees. So how did you respond to that?
Yeah, so I thought it would be a great idea to make a video saying how when you're a buyer looking for a property, you don't have to...
Or a possible tenant.
Yeah, or a possible tenant. You don't have to pay a realtor to go to a showing, for example. So you see a place you like, you want to go take a look, you're not paying the buying agent that you're going with. They actually don't get paid until a deal closes and the funds come from either the landlord or the seller.
Yeah, so essentially you're getting professional services from the buyer agent or I guess a leasing agent, but you don't have to pay for a service. It's the person that owns the property or the landlord that pays for our service. So they pay for both the buyer's agent and the seller's agent. So yeah, I would, like a lot of people I realized too, when I first was getting into the industry, didn't realize that fact either. And we've been doing this for a number of years. You kind of forget that, have to remind people. It's like, hey, you're looking to buy, you have your budget set up, and the best thing about it, you don't have to pay for us.
Yeah.
So don't be scared.
Yeah.
And for Halloween, if you see us knocking on your door, give us a treat. And well, happy trick-or-treating and have a great weekend, everybody. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.
See ya.